So today is Halloween, and we're on the campus of Princeton University, enjoying a nice fall day. And we've been saving this owl pellet. It's a great horned owl pellet, and we're going to perform a dissection. Great horned owls will eat rodents whole, so that when you dissect the pellet, this is what they cannot digest. So this is the fur, the bones. That appears to be some kind of maybe jawbone?
I think so.
Of a rodent. There we go, there's a good, interesting piece of jaw. Great horned owls will eat mice and voles, and they'll actually eat prey all the way up to skunk and cats as well.
And other small owls.
And other small owls as well, that's a good point. So, owls like screech owls, solid owls. Can I have a shot at it?
Difficult.
It's kind of compacted in there.
Piece here.
It's like another, maybe part of the jaw.
So.
This is an older pellet, so it's not a fresh pellet. That's why it's a little difficult.
Usually, quite sure what that is, but could be a pelvic bone.
Maybe hold up that piece of jawbone.
Which one is this? Where?
There's some teeth there too on it. See if we could sort out some pieces, and then we'll come back. Further dissection of this owl pellet, this great horned owl pellet. You can see we're left with a lot of fur, so this is all the undigestible stuff. But here are the bones that we uncovered, and it seems like we've uncovered quite a few jawbones. They look like small rodents. Obviously some other bones, like leg bones, I'm sure. This is an interesting bone here, if I could get that in focus. Maybe possibly part of the leg. But the jaw is very interesting, and we found 3 of these jaws. So there, you can see those teeth. Some type of rodent there. If you are good at rodent identification of bones, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. But this is our Halloween special. Happy Owl-ween.